Welcome to our latest product update video. We have some new features to share with you. We've added new blocks to enhance newsletter layouts. 3 images with text block offers visually dynamic sections that combine images and short descriptions, with images set individually for each slot, along with custom text for maximum flexibility. It's perfect for highlighting key moments like last event photos. 2 columns of text and 3 columns of text blocks provide additional ways to present text side by side, offering more flexibility and structure for organized messaging in newsletters. The Quote with Author block lets you add short, impactful messages supported by a photo, name, and role of the person being quoted, bringing leadership voices and employee stories to life. Together, these new blocks offer more flexibility and design consistency, helping every newsletter look professional and engaging. Until now, publication scheduling was available only for news content. Now, users can schedule publication across many more content types. Administrators, editors, and publishers can now schedule publication for 13 additional content types, including pages, glossaries, or locations, all directly from the page settings. This change gives you full control over when content appears and disappears for these newly supported content types. We've introduced drag and drop functionality in Files blocks, making it easier than ever to manage and reorganize your content. Besides the ability to reorder files within a single Files block, we now offer the possibility to drag and drop files from one block directly to another. This means you no longer need to create a new block from scratch or go through the re-uploading the same files again. This drag and drop functionality works seamlessly whether you're moving files between the same type of Files blocks or different ones. Administrators can now set a different language for edit mode and the admin panel than the one used in the intranet. Administrators can now select their preferred edit language from several available languages directly in the admin panel. After saving changes, tab names and all options are automatically translated to match this choice, unlike the intranet language that regular users see. Language also changes for users with higher permissions. All edit mode elements, including page settings, and block descriptions, now appear in the selected language. Thanks to these changes, users with higher permissions can now work in their preferred language. Users can now save contacts directly to the Saved panel with one click from several areas. Saved panel provides instant access to your favorite contacts. Adding someone is simple. Just tap the Save icon right in their profile. It also appears at the top of search results next to every user for quick access, or directly in the address book alongside any contact name. Users can now change the order of tabs in the Tabs Layout block. The Tabs Layout block lets you organize content into tabs for quick section switching. Now, directly from edit mode, users can reorder tabs using arrow buttons. Clicking them instantly changes the tab position within the block. Thanks to this, there's no longer any need to recreate the block just to rearrange the tabs. Users now have the option to display or hide the Microsoft Teams icon in the address book. Now, users can decide whether to display the Microsoft Teams icon in their contact details within the address book. Once enabled, the icon becomes visible, and clicking it takes users directly to a Teams chat with that person. Embed Connections feed block now works like the Connections app, showing posts from open groups, even for users who aren't members. The Embed Connections feed block gains an additional option available in edit mode. Clicking it lets users see posts published to open groups they don't belong to. This change helps users notice interesting content that encourages joining new groups, thereby increasing overall user activity and connections. Admins can now precisely control who can book resources by managing user and group permissions across locations, floors, zones, and assets. Permissions can be assigned at different levels. The Permission Management button is available directly in the admin panel. From here, administrators can add users or groups and assign the appropriate booking permissions. If granted at the location level, users can book all resources within that location, including its zones, levels, and single assets. If assigned to a specific zone, users can only reserve resources within that zone. Similarly, permissions at a level apply only to resources on that level, so users can reserve those resources while access to other levels' assets remains restricted. Permissions can also be granted for individual resources, such as a single desk, and users will only be able to book that resource. Thank you for joining us to explore our latest product updates. To learn more, book a demo at workai.com.